You see it right? You got it on camera? Yeah. Okay.
Can I switch one?
All right, go ahead.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
You're so good. You're so Okay, guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be making
Brownies. Brownies.
Brownies.
Yeah.
But we said we're going to be making brownies today, but we're not going to
make brownies today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, but we're not just going to make any regular old brownies.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be making cosmic brownies.
Yeah. Cosmic brownies.
Yeah.
Cosmic brownies.
Cosmic brownies.
This is cosmic.
You can.
No, you tell them.
You tell them.
No, you.
As you can see, we have someone different in the screen.
And this is called this X.
This is our special guest, and her name is
Josie.
Yay!
Josie.
Josie.
Mine.
Your name's not Josie.
Your name's Araya.
Yeah, so everything, I've already scaled everything out. So in our pan, we have our butter
and honey.
and honey. Correct. So what we'll do is we'll let that melt on the stove. And then we will add our eggs
and
sugar.
With salt. Then we'll add this stuff.
And then we will add our flour and cocoa powder.
And this.
Okay, so now that our butter has completely melted, we're
With
gonna
honey.
Correct. Josie's gonna go ahead and add in our sugar.
Salt.
And salt. Good job. Not yet, Ray. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and mix it together. Go ahead, go slowly.
I will mix it together. That's enough, Josie. That's enough. And you put eggs.
All right, we're gonna add in our.
I'm doing it.
Hold on. Go ahead, add it now. So we're gonna go ahead and add in our dry ingredients.
Can I mix? Hey, we'll mix it.
Go ahead and mix. Go slowly, please. So cooking with kids is very fun.
Hey, I mix it together.
Okay, mix.
Just make sure you have parents supervise.
Correct. You need parent supervision for this, guys. All right. So now.
Can I dump it?
One moment. So now I just lined a loaf pan with parchment paper and sprayed that.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go ahead and pour it into our pan.
And make sure you don't try not to get it all over the table, right?
Correct.
Remember to put the butter in it.
Yes.
Or the spray butter, the butter spray, so it won't stick.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
So everything is in the pan. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes or so.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Decided to completely rebrand the Pickles POV, and it's officially going to be called Pickles and Quinn. I'm going to start to use this platform to get my products out there for you guys to see them and have a more of a behind the scenes look of everything. And I really hope that this kind of helps and promotes everything that I am putting out there and pushing for you guys to see, and potentially have the ability to order. All right, so now our brownies are almost done. We're gonna go ahead and start to make our ganache. That's gonna go on top of our brownies once they've cooled. Ganache is just heavy cream and chocolate. So that's super simple, and that's gonna go right on top. The ratios can differ between if you wanted a thicker ganache or thinner. It just depends on the ratio of how you want your ganache to come out. Are you copying me? Okay, so we're gonna have a thinner ganache since a little bit spilled out onto the counter.
We can just
put it on medium-high heat, so then it boils, and then we'll add our chocolate. Dance party, dance party, dance party, dance party, dance party.
Good party.
Mm-hmm.
Mix it. Wait. The big bad wolf.
Oh.
Afraid of the big bad wolf.
Not me.
What's poppin'? What's shakin'? Man, I'm in the mood for pickin'.
Everyone up for cover.
Don't make me break in.
Oh look, Okay, so our cream is boiling.
Hey, I'm giving you
All right.
medicine to fall asleep.
Wow!
All right, so we have chocolate
More medicine.
in our bowl, and Josie's
Awesome.
gonna go ahead and pour the heavy cream over the chocolates.
Can I mix it?
No, not yet. We're gonna let it sit, and then, all right, hot rye.
And then we're gonna give some shots.
All right, go ahead, pour it over. It's all right, you got it. Just pour it right over all the chocolates.
Mama,
Good.
mix it.
Nice work. Sit for a little bit
No, no,
until
no.
all the chocolate melts, and then once it melts, then you guys can mix together, okay?
Mama, mix it.
We will in just a minute.
And
All right, so our brownies are hot, come in between. Our brownies are out of the oven.
also, why?
So in this bowl, we have our heavy cream and our chocolates, equal parts. So I just did a half a cup of both, and that's gonna be our topping for our brownies. So Josie, go ahead and mix, please.
Hey, Mama.
It is finished. It is on the runnier side,
Hey, Mama,
but that's okay because once we put it on top of the brownies, it will.
It will dissolve.
Stick side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
It'll firm up onto the brownies.
And it will dissolve.
Right. So just measure with your heart with however much ganache you want to put on top. I love a good ganache, so I'm gonna go a little bit heavier. Take it and kind of spread it like this. And jiggle it just a little bit. Just so it gets on all of the brownie. And we're just gonna let this firm up in the fridge for a little bit until the ganache has set. So we are going to be using the,
Hey, Mama, do it. Hey, Mama.
hold on, I can't even open it, guys, just one
Let me
minute.
try.
So we're gonna be using these sprinkles right here, if you can see. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna sprinkle some of these right on top. Right, hold on.
Wait, no.
All right, now you gotta put it, sprinkle it on top. All over. Yeah, it looks good. Josie, your turn. Whoa. Mama's turn. Whoa.
My turn. Can we have one more handful?
Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, so the brownies are finished. Here it is. Nice and thick. The ganache is on top. Our sprinkles. Looks so good. All right, taste test. Ready? Oh, cheers. Mmm. Cheers. So, what do you think?
Yeah.
It's yummy?
It's good, but it's like the ganache is like really chocolatey, and it's not like it makes it like it's like dark chocolate, and it doesn't really like. It's good.
Like it?
I'll save that for a little while for my mom.
All right, awesome.
No.
Thumbs up.
No. Yeah.
I approve.
That's your thumbs up. Yeah. DM me on Instagram, guys, if you want to place an order for brownies. Let me know, and then you guys will go ahead and
And we'll
get it.
ship some to you.
Oh, we're including shipping. Josie's gonna pay for shipping, so
And you
It'll be
guys have
good.
to give me it's only $20.
$20.
Yeah.
All right, no prices are set. DM me for order.
And give us a huge thumbs up.
A huge thumbs up.
And
Thank you guys for watching.
bye, guys.
See you next time.
Bye on Pickle's channel.
Yeah.
Pickles.
Bye.
Bye, guys. If you like our channel, give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Woo!
All right. Pause.
Can't see my eyebrows.
You waxed them all off.
Don't tell them.
Just
We should get some merch, shouldn't we?
some merch. Yeah, we should get some merch.
Only if we know how to stitch.
Yeah.
Like so know that.
So you heard it here first, guys. If anybody knows how to stitch, go ahead and make us some merch.
Yeah. The baby's crying. 1 second. Wow. Cook.
Are you cooking?
Yeah. I'm going to make brownies.
We are making brownies today.